Understanding the DeepSeek phenomenon. Imagine an AI so powerful that it doesn't just retrieve information, but uses step-by-step reasoning to understand, analyze, and synthesize it like an expert. Welcome to DeepSeek, the cutting-edge AI system that transformed how we interact with data. Let's discover what makes DeepSeek special and how it can enhance your work with data. What is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is an advanced open-source AI assistant with an embedded search engine that enables it to write comprehensive reports on any topic. The platform works across various types of tasks, from simple text generation to complex problem-solving, making it versatile for different needs: blog posts, market research, data analysis, and many more. Since its release, the secret behind DeepSeek's hype has been its game-changing approach, which its developers used. The thing is, DeepSeek is able to achieve impressive capabilities while using much less than other AI models. According to available information, training the initial DeepSeek model cost only around $5 million, while for other assistants, the numbers reach tens of millions. So this is where one of the DeepSeek's main advantages comes from. If it's for personal use, it is available to everyone for free. This means that, unlike other tools, there is no subscription required to access its full capabilities. Also, DeepSeek works super fast. When it was first released, it operated 3 times quicker than other top AI tools. As a result, this created a trend for fast models like Gemini Flash or ChatGPT's instant mode. So, DeepSeek's accessibility and powerful capabilities make it perfect for anyone, both for personal purposes and business. Core capabilities. DeepSeek excels through several key features that make it stand out in the AI landscape. DeepThink is one of such features, and it lets users observe the AI's step-by-step reasoning as it works through a query. This helps users identify potential errors in the AI's approach, making it especially useful for refining complex tasks and ensuring more accurate results. In the screenshot below, you can see an example of DeepSeek's thinking process. For demonstration purposes, all screenshots are provided in English. As you can see, DeepSeek approaches even the simplest queries, such as 1 + 1, with a thorough step-by-step reasoning process to deliver the best possible answer. Quite impressive, isn't it? By the way, this feature was also later adopted by other models. DeepSeek as a search engine. Also, unlike traditional search engines, DeepSeek's search mode can understand the meaning behind your questions. It interprets vague queries and finds relevant information based on concepts rather than just keywords. For example, asking, "Why do people prefer shopping online?" prompts DeepSeek to analyze content related to online shopping habits, consumer behavior, and digital retail trends. Then, it will provide you with a detailed report on the question, helping you discover what you did not expect. Now you've seen both modes in action: reasoning mode for transparent step-by-step thinking, and search mode for comprehensive topic research. Understanding when to use each mode is essential. Let's test that knowledge. What primary factor contributed to DeepSeek's efficient development? Extensive data preprocessing. Optimized training methodology. Collaborative development model. Advanced hardware infrastructures. When should you choose DeepSeek's reasoning mode over search mode? When you need to see step-by-step logic and verify how conclusions were reached. When you need either a comprehensive research report on a topic or quick factual answers. Well done! You now understand when to use DeepSeek and how its 2 modes serve different needs. Reasoning for visible logic, search for research reports. Let's learn more. DeepSeek in action. How are companies transforming their operations with DeepSeek? Let's explore 5 compelling use cases that show how businesses of all sizes are achieving real results with AI. These stories will help you understand practical applications of DeepSeek in everyday business operations. Why businesses need DeepSeek. Before diving into specific cases, let's understand what makes DeepSeek essential for modern businesses. Unlike other AI solutions, it combines power with accessibility. In general, businesses using AI achieve significantly lower costs in tasks like customer support and substantial energy savings, while improving service quality as well. In turn, since DeepSeek is an open-source model, it does not require massive investments to implement it for business purposes. This way, AI becomes accessible to organizations of any size. Customer support evolution. Small businesses can transform customer service with DeepSeek-powered AI chatbots. These assistants will handle inquiries 24/7 and understand multiple languages. For example, here are the potential results that can be achieved by a small retail company that uses DeepSeek for its operations. Noticeably shorter wait times. Reduced operational costs. Improved customer satisfaction through faster, consistent responses. Content creation revolution. DeepSeek can help generate SEO content across blogs, social media, and email campaigns, while maintaining brand voice and quality. Thus, a marketing agency can have its content creation time using DeepSeek. Meanwhile, it will maintain quality while scaling output, serving more clients without expanding the team. Smart data analysis. DeepSeek can also be used by companies that want to uncover valuable insights from their data. The AI will analyze trends and help to make informed decisions based on real-time information. As an example, consulting firms demonstrate this perfectly. Without large analyst teams, they can predict market trends and suggest optimization strategies, helping smaller companies compete effectively. Customer experience enhancement. DeepSeek enables firms to power intelligent recommendation engines that create personalized shopping experiences based on user behavior. For instance, e-commerce platforms have seen increases in conversions after implementing AI-powered personalized recommendations, which improve both customer satisfaction and sales. Operational efficiency. All in all, as you could have understood, DeepSeek will increase the operational efficiency of your business while not requiring high costs. With DeepSeek, businesses can automate not only routine tasks like data entry or report generation, but also a variety of advanced ones. This will free up a lot of time for strategic work. What makes DeepSeek uniquely accessible for small businesses? Its open-source nature requires no major investment. Its complex interface, its premium features, its hardware requirements. Which operational improvement best demonstrates DeepSeek's efficiency? Reducing customer wait times, adding more employees, increasing office space. Pizza Fridays in the office. How does DeepSeek most effectively help content creation? By halving creation time while maintaining quality. By writing longer content. By using more images. By increasing posting frequency. Well done! Now, you know how DeepSeek can be applied in real-world examples. In the next lesson, we will cover ethical guidelines and responsible AI deployment, another major step before leveraging AI in business. Before this, let's recap what we covered. Ethical considerations and responsible AI use. As we delve deeper into DeepSeek's capabilities, it's crucial to understand the ethical considerations of AI implementation. In this lesson, you'll explore how to implement AI responsibly and transparently. Why ethics matter in business. AI. AI offers immense potential for businesses, from automating decisions to enhancing customer experiences. However, misuse of AI can lead to reputational or legal issues. Therefore, ethical AI practices are not just a moral obligation, but a strategic imperative, within which DeepSeek is not an exception. The foundation of trust. Transparency is about ensuring stakeholders understand how AI systems operate and make decisions. Opacity breeds suspicion, especially when AI impacts customers, employees, or partners. In this sense, the business impacts are clear. Transparent AI reduces compliance risks and strengthens brand reputation. Therefore, customers are more likely to engage with companies that demystify AI processes. Ensuring equitable AI. Another essential thing to consider is that AI models can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in training data or design choices. Such biases could lead to AI favoring specific demographics, while disadvantaging others. For example, while using AI as a recruitment tool, it may prefer candidates with specific characteristics, e.g., males. In this case, it is important to retrain the model with balanced data and ensure oversight. Thus, the key strategies for AI fairness in business are: conduct regular audits on AI models to check for bias. Ensure training data reflects diverse populations. Proactively managing bias prevents costly discrimination and ensures equity. Responsible deployment. Ethical AI deployment is an ongoing effort, not a one-time fix. It requires weaving responsibility into the entire AI lifecycle. Therefore, key strategies include establishing AI committees for oversight and training employees on ethical AI principles and practices. As a result, by operationalizing ethics, businesses drive sustainable growth. This will strengthen customer relationships and build your company's reputation. Safeguarding privacy. Last but not least, privacy is a very important concern when using AI, not only for business purposes, but for personal use in general. Here are some things that you should know when using AI. AI tools collect users' personal data. The collected data may include chat histories and device information as well. If security measures are insufficient, there's a risk of data leaks or misuse. Since these are general rules, they are applicable when using DeepSeek as well. Therefore, you need to keep these precautions in mind, especially if using AI in business. In this context, transparency about AI use becomes even more significant. Let's practice. Now that you are familiar with ethical considerations and the main principles of responsible AI use, let's test this knowledge in practice. First, how does transparency in AI systems impact business outcomes? It enhances system performance through continuous monitoring, and it strengthens data security through increased visibility. It builds long-term trust with stakeholders by providing clarity on AI decision-making. It streamlines operational processes by automating documentation. Next, what is the most effective approach for businesses to address potential bias in AI systems? Developing comprehensive user feedback mechanisms. Establishing automated monitoring systems with regular reports. Creating detailed documentation of AI decision processes. Implementing ongoing audits, diverse training data, and multi-stakeholder oversight. Lastly, when handling personal data in AI systems, which approaches should businesses prioritize? This time, select all that apply. Implementing robust security measures. Optimizing data storage capacity. Maximizing data collection efficiency. Ensuring transparent data usage policies. Putting ethics into practice. Congratulations on mastering the core principles of ethical AI. You now have the knowledge and frameworks needed to drive responsible AI use, whether in a business context or beyond. On this note, we are concluding the DeepSeek Fundamentals unit. In the next unit, you'll dive into the next important step of DeepSeek mastery, prompting. Let's recap what we've covered, and then get ready for some new knowledge.